Hey, I'm Benny from SimTutor, and welcome to this weekly series where I'll go over a small aspect of SimTutor and walk you through it, giving my tips and tricks as we go. This week, we're going to look into how I would record or capture my screen if I were to create a software simulation using a program called OBS. In this lesson, we'll learn how to download and install OBS and set it up for your system so you too can record high quality screen captures. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is download our software that we're going to use to record our screen. I use OBS. It's what I find is the most smoothest and clearest and easy to use as well. So just go to the URL up here, obsproject.com/download. That'll be somewhere in the description or on the support pages as well. And go ahead and download the installer for the operating system that you are running. Cool, and once that is finished downloading, just go ahead and run the installer like you would any other program. And then once that's done, just go ahead and launch the program just by checking this checkbox and clicking finish. And accept this license agreement, and then we'll have OBS opened. So OBS does most of the work for you. It'll basically set itself up for your computer based off your specs and everything if you just go through this wizard. So I'll go through it with you guys. So click yes, and we'll optimize for recording because that's what we're after. Streaming's not something we're doing right now. And then you can basically play around with these. There's not one correct answer. Basically, whatever screen size you want, this will be fine. I'm going to change mine to this because I'm currently working on a larger resolution monitor. And then click next and apply settings, and you should be all good. But you notice now that we're not recording anything. There's nothing on the screen. So we need to add a display capture. So we want to record our display. So you can go here, click this little plus or right click, and hit the add button and hit display capture. And then it'll just give it a name. Just click OK. Don't worry about that. And you'll see your display here. You can change to different ones by clicking on this display button. And you can also choose to capture your cursor or not by checking or unchecking this box. So go ahead and click OK, and there's our screen. So we could start recording now, and it would record whatever's on this screen. So I'd move this. So I'd start recording. I could either minimize it, or I could move it to another screen. Another thing we might want to do as well is change the output format, because right now, by default, if I go into settings and go into the output setting, it will output it as a FLV format, and some video editors or and even SimTutor doesn't actually accept FLV. So I would highly recommend changing this to MP4 or MOV. I'll just put it to MP4 for now. And basically every other setting in OBS should be automatically set up for you, so you can start recording and making your simulations straight away from there. So if you have any questions about the software, I'm more than happy to help. Just hit me up at info@simtutor.com, and we'll see you next time.